Los colores. Once again, it's another cognate because, of course, you can see that the word color is in colores. It's also reviewing a rule of pluralization. Since color ends in a consonant, you add an ES. All right, so the 11 major colors are negro for black, azul for blue, café for brown, gris is gray, verde, green, anaranjado, orange, rosado, pink, morado, purple, rojo, red, blanco, white, and amarillo, yellow. Now, what I want you to notice is a lot of the colors say O/A. That's going to apply to one rule of adjectives, and the ones that don't have that /A are a different rule of adjectives. Now, adjectives are words that are describing words. So if I'm talking about something is blue or something is red, I am describing someone or something as being those colors. So because of that, they are going to have 4 words for words that end in O and A. For example, negro is masculine singular. So if I have one black mask, okay, that would be negro. If I have one black shirt, that's camisa, so that is negra. Again, if I have something that is masculine and plural, los masques, then I would use negros. If I have 2 black shirts and shirts are camisas, then it's negras. So everything has to match in Spanish, okay? So since colors are considered to be adjectives, the word will change according to what noun is describing. Rojo, for example, has 4 different words. If you're describing a feminine singular noun, such as mesa or computadora, you will use roja for the word red. Rojo will be used in plural, such as carros or sillas, and rojos and rojas. So technically, there are really 4 words for any of the adjectives that end in O/A. If it doesn't end in O/A, there are a couple of rules. If it ends in an E or a consonant, the only thing you can do to it is make it plural. So verde, which is green, will describe any singular noun, such as pizza or piano. It will stay verde. You do not make any changes to it. If you're going to describe something that's plural, such as radios or lámparas, you're just going to make it plural, so you would add an S, verdes. Café is brown if you're describing something singular that's brown, and cafés with an S is if you're going to describe like brown eyes, for example. Same thing applies to azul. Azul is singular for any noun that's singular, masculine or feminine. Azules is plural for blue, and gris is singular, and grises is plural. Now some examples. Now remember, if a word ends in an O, it's masculine. If it ends in an E, it's masculine. If it ends in a consonant, it's masculine. If it ends in an A, it's feminine. So if I want to say the sentence, the house is white, and the word for house is casa, ending in an A, that makes it feminine, the word for white has to also match casa, so it has to be blanca. El piano es, and then since piano ends in an O, that makes it masculine and singular, so I need the masculine singular word for black, which is negro. Los carros son, the cars are, and I have to take red and match carros, so rojo becomes rojos. Las calculadoras son, yellow, Yellow has to match calculadoras, ends in an AS, so it's amarillas. El elefante, ace, gray. Since it's singular, it's Greece. Las sandalias son brown. Well, sandals are plural, so the word for brown has to be plural. It cannot be feminine, so it has to be cafés. So make sure you do pages 15, 16, and 17 about colors for tomorrow. Remember that the colors are adjectives and they must match who or what they are describing, masculine, feminine, singular, and plural.